Assalamualaikum my dear students, how are you? Hope all are you fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our NIDS home school. This is Sonia Joya, assistant teacher of National Ideal English Version School, Morniship, Dhaka. Today I am going to take an English language class for the class 1 students, and our today's topic lesson 12 exercise 2. This is look at the board my dear students. This is from annual class 1 subject English language, topic lesson 12 exercise number 2, your lecture number 5 and your homework number 5. Teacher, this is my name Sonia Joya and this is my mobile number and this is today's date. So my dear students, let's start out today's topic. Look at the board my dear students. This is lesson 12, new enjoying grammar book. Our exercise 2, our today's topic exercise number 2. Complete this sentence with there is or there are. This is our today's topic exercise 2. Complete these sentences with there is or there are. So there is a picture. Here are two students or two boys. There is a cupboard, a chart. There are some toys. There are two bags. There are books. There are toys, pencil box. Many things in that picture. And our first exercise is there is a large table in the room. In the picture there is a large table, only one table, that's why we used here there is. There is a large table in the room, so there is only one table, that's why we used here there is. Then number 2, there are two boys reading in their books. Okay, there are two boys. There are two boys. That's why we use here there are. Remember that when there is one or singular form, then we use there is, and there are plural from more than one. When we used there are. Number 2, there are two boys reading in their books. Number 3, there is a chart hanging on the wall. There is a chart, only one chart. Look at the picture, there is a chart. Okay, so that we used here there is. There is a chart hanging on the wall. Then number 4, there is a shelf near the door. So there is a shelf near the door. Here is only one shelf, that's why we used here there is. Then number 5, there are many books in the cupboard. So there are many books in the cupboards. Here there are many books in the cupboard, so that we used here there are. Many books means lots of books, that's why we used here there are. Number 6, there are bags under the table. In the table, the picture in the table, under the table there are two bags. There are bags under the table, that's why we used here there are bags under the table. There are bags under the table. Then number 7, there is a pencil box on the table. Here is only one pencil box in that line. There is only one pencil box, that's why we used here there is a pencil box on the table. Then number 8, there are some toys in the corner of the room. Here are some toys or many toys, that's why we used here are, because they are plural from. Again I am saying this. Number 1, there is a large table in the room. Number 2, there are two boys reading in their books. Number 3, there is a chart hanging on the wall. Number 4, there is a shelf near the door. Number 5, there are many books in the cupboard. There are many books in the cupboard. Number 6, there are bags under the table. Number 7, there is a pencil box on the table. Number 8, there are some toys in the corner of the room. My dear students, your homework number 5 and your homework exercise 2. Exercise 2. This exercise will your homework. Look at the board my dear students and listen carefully. This exercise 2 will your homework. This exercise 2 will your homework. Homework number 5 and exercise 2 will your homework. So my dear students, I hope all of you students understood this topic. See you again inshallah.